My name is Bonnie Monton, and this video will be tackled about ethical reputation. So I have here some scenario, the chosen scenario, scenario five. A a college friend of yours approached you about idea to start an online reputation management firm. On tactic of the firm, you would use it to threaten negative posters with a label Lusuk unless they remove their posting. Should that fail? The firm would generate dozens of positive posting to outweigh the negative posting. What you say? What would you say to your friend about her idea? So I have here the presentation, ethical reputation, and um, in this presentation covers all the ethical reputation, of course. Um, we will be discussing process by process and ethical by ethical, and yeah, you know what I mean. So without further ado, let's begin on our first slide. Um, the importance of ethics. Understanding the ethic landscape of the reputation management practice. In in today's digital age, the integrity of online reputation management is paramount. Business must navigate a fine line between protecting their image and maintaining ethical standards. By prioritizing ethical practice, company not only enhance their credibility but also foster trust in their stakeholder and customers. Unethical practice and reputation management, silence and deception. Now we have two ethical dilemma and reputation management. We have dishonesty and transparency. Ni unethical tactic, we have five. Um, Threat, threat of lawsuit, um, fake positive reviews, manipulating feedback, and intimidating clients. Now, the ethical practice is honest communication, um, um, real feedback responses, building customer trust, and also professional reputation strategy. Next is the legal risk overview. Now, this understand the threat and uh, panel penalty and in reputation management. Breaches is online reputation management can lead to serious legal uh, respect, repercussion cautions, including threat of lawsuit and deception, advertising claim, and regulatory penalty that damage trust. Next is um, the percentage of customer trust online, importance of genuine feedback, 50% of businesses, which due to reputation damage, um, 80% of customer research online before making purchase. So this percentage are the outcome would be happen if um yeah uh, to do an ethical um posting like 75% of 50% and also the 80% of customer research online before they doubt the product because they saw the posting something like that, and now they want to search online for the review if the product is um for example is not good and so on. So let's proceed. The ethical alternative. Promote integrity and reputation management. We have three: transparency, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. Now, the transparency, it emphasizes open communication, foster trust, and allow business to address concern directly, demonstrating commitment and ethical practice and enhancing their reputation. Now, the professionalism, maintaining a professional, the min, the minor, the minor uh, when responding to feedback, help manage perception, and encourage constructive dialogue, which is essential for building lasting relationship with customers. Customer satisfaction, focusing on improving genuine customer expresses, ensure that positive feedback arise natural and reinforcing the brand reputation and establishing a loyal customer base. So next is the best practice, applying practice strategies for reputation and management. We have four: respond, improve, be honest, and be engaged. Now, the respond, always acknowledge feedback promptly and professionally, which um you respond a product honestly and professionally with real and um, real feedback. Next is improve. Focus on enhancing customer satisfaction consistently. So in this improve is we can see the customer likes, which we can identify what customer like and improve it on our uh yeah. Next is be honest. Maintain transparency is all communication. Yeah. Next is engage. Foster genuine relationship with client and customer. So next, the benefit of ethical management. We have the a legal safety, ethical practice, ensure compliance and um, um, mitigate legal risk. Now we the last part, which is the conclusion. Now the conclusion, ethical management promotes trust and uh, long longevity. Yeah. Embracing ethical practice in online reputation management is essential for long-term success. By fostering transparency and integrity, business can build a lasting relationship with their client and customers. Implementing ethical strategy not only safeguard against legal prosecution, but also enhance brand credibility, ensuring that businesses thrive in a trust-based marketplace. So that would be the presentation, the trust management. That would be all. Hope you have a na mo na katunan ato and um that covers all the presentation, of course. And have a nice day. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.